Attention international traders and buyers. Are you sourcing materials from abroad? Don't miss this video. Are you looking for top quality products at unbeatable prices with smooth, reliable delivery as promised? Don't miss this video. Discover globally accepted, happily consumed, and highly appreciated Indian products with TPEG International LLC, your trusted partner for superior service and reliability. Global traders are now turning to India for their material needs thanks to Indian factories delivering unmatched quality, exceptional finishing, international packaging standards, and globally competitive pricing. Our extensive product portfolio includes FMCG products, kitchen products, electronic products, textiles, ready-made garments for all ages, household items, antique pieces, decorative items, stationery items, machinery products, and more. Experience the superior quality and ethical business practices of Indian manufacturers. We promise you'll forget about sourcing from China or any other country. We guarantee top-notch quality, timely delivery, and flexible payment plans. Beyond delivering goods, we ensure the best quality at the best prices for long-term partnerships. We value building lasting relationships with our esteemed clients, understanding their needs and exceeding their expectations. Our capacity to produce in large quantities ensures consistent supply and reliability. Need something unique? We also offer customized products tailored to your specifications. Join our satisfied customers from Europe, Africa, and the UAE. Contact us today and let's grow together. Connect with us immediately. We're ready to serve you no matter where you are in the world. Don't wait. Elevate your business with the best India has to offer.